Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 Platinum. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter PowerScope turbo diesel engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package, the Platinum Plus Package, heavy-duty suspension, fifth wheel hitch prep package, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing tow hitch receiver, nice little Platinum logo with the 8-foot box. You got a Bedliner, tailgate step, bed step, the nice dually body style. And moving to the front, we do get side bed steps. We do get a nice gripped running board on either side. Keyless entry keypad, a fully powered trailer tow mirror, blind spot detection, side view camera, spotlight, turn light indicated, mud flaps on the front. We got roof clearance lights with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view, park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice smoked truffle interior, cup holders and storage, 2 vents back here. We have heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120-volt floor mats with carpet interior, flat fold storage system with plenty of door space in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat as well as massaging, as well as on the passenger seat we have a 10-way fully reclinable seat, which is always pretty handy. We got the same smoked truffle, pretty quilted, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, with memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, tailgate spotlights, parking brake pedal adjusters with a nice powered steering wheel column. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 27 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control with a digital speedometer. We do get my view, trip and feel, your heads-up display, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage. You do get cup holders, but you do get more if need be. Wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Nice looking center console with that nice smoked truffle leathering. You do have a lockable center console with tons of storage. You get lights, outlets, drive modes with 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist. You do get pro Power Onboard on this vehicle, dual climate, heated and cooling front seats, not heated, hazards, traction, and 360 view of the vehicle, where you can go from different camera angles with your lovely bed camera. We got 12-volt, 120 storage above, below, and on the dash with 6 Upfitter switches. You can set up however you please. A nice suede top. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, engine brake and hill assist. Here we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, your navigation, search reads saved, and have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email, and the apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings, personal profiles, your massaging front seats, which is pretty nice for those long car rides, Ford Assist, all that jazz. And for your features, you do get powered running boards, your Pro Power Onboard, zone lighting, onboard scale, smart hitch, owner's manual, record feedback, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE25739, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.